Damn. I'm tired. Ladies, gentlemen, everyone in between and everyone in New Orleans, my name is Cobra, and I just got back from Ai-Kon 2025. It was such a fun weekend. It was such a pleasure to go and see all my cosplay buddies again. I've been looking forward to this weekend so much. And now it's over, and I believe that post-con depression is about to go and hit me soon. But while we're still relaxing here after the con, I thought, why not go and do a little loot haul of all the stuff I bought. So, normally, I'm very financially irresponsible with my money, but this time I actually managed to go and save just a little bit of money left to make sure I'm not fully broke. Because last time I had a budget of $500. And I spent like the equivalent. I think I spent a total of like $720 to $760. I can't remember how it is. But either way, went over $200 over the limit. But overall, it was fun, and I got to go I got to go get together with my cosplay buddies, and we actually ended up getting to meet the voice actor of Senshi from Delicious in Dungeon or Dungeon Meshi, Sungwon Cho. So, pleasure to meet him. And I also managed to go and get an autograph from Brianna Knickerbocker, who voiced Wiz in the greatest anime ever made, Konosuba. But we'll get to that soon enough. So, first off, I bought this from Little Star Gifts, and as a avid Don enjoyer, I ended up finding this Turbo Granny plushie. It was surprisingly big, so I was like, okay, yeah, I like this. I think I could be able to go and hang it on my shelf, but surely we should be able to work something out there. But overall, check it out. It's pretty awesome. It's in her cat form. Turbo Granny is the goat. She's the best. So yeah, we got that. I didn't buy too much. Most of the stuff I bought just today, which this recording is on a Sunday. So yeah. So yeah. Next thing I bought is I saw that this one establishment. I can't remember what they were called, but I think they may have been from Quebec, because they were I saw they were speaking French, so I managed to go and speak French to them. But pour qui m'a servi, j'ai fait un cosplay de Dolcorune, de Dandanal, et j'ai acheté ses lunettes de welding. So yeah, here I think I might. Mais merci beaucoup pour ça. They were like $20, and they're like so satisfying. Here, let me see if I might go and just put these on for the rest of the video. Oh yeah, that's over. Hold on. All right, this may work, but unfortunately, I cannot see anything. Let me try something out real quick. Okay, this could work. I'll go with this. I think I might just go with this for the rest of the video, or if it starts to go and wear on my ass, I might just go and take them off, but yeah. We'll go with this. Okay. Actually, you know, no, I think I'm going to go and take them off. I really can't see anything out of this, so, yeah. You're going to have to go there for now, but I'm definitely going to go and use those to readjust my my Zealot cosplay for my Warhammer 40k cosplay, because I really like it when the goggles are tinted, and also I also want to go and use them for my Yusa cosplay, which I'm currently trying to go and readjust. So yeah, there's that. Got Turbo Granny here. Actually, hold on. I stacked my pillows up here, so she could just go and chill up here for now. Alright. Next, my good old friend, Oddball Cosplay, he ended up getting some posters, and there was like a buy two get one free deal. So ended up getting this, which is of the three main characters, Mugen, Jean, and Fu from Samurai Champloo. Yeah, sorry, I can't remember. Oh yeah. There's a made it. Avery Kua. Very, very nice art. I sorry, just got this one from my dad. So yeah, there's that. What else? Oh yeah. So the funny thing is that I have a pretty small room, if you couldn't tell. But I wanted to get more posters. But living in the moment, I was thinking, it's like, should I get this? I literally don't have a place to put it. But we could always work something out. So, because I was dressed in my Okarun cosplay, and because I've been wanting one for a while, I ended up getting this massive Don poster that I hope to one day get an autograph from all the actors, just like what I did with, or what I'm doing with my other posters. So yeah, like you see that there's like Okarun and Momo and Ira, Seiko, and Gigi, and I think there's, oh yeah, and of course Turbo Granny there. So I can't, this thing is so big, and my webcam is also really finicky right now, so I don't even know how I'm able to what else did I buy? I feel like I bought a couple more things. Alright. So this next thing that I got, because Konosuba is my favorite anime ever, as I said before, the voice actress for Wiz, Brianna Knickerbocker, she actually stopped by, so I got her to go and sign my Konosuba poster, just right down there. So yeah, that's really awesome. I love it so much. Oh, and for my first time at Ai-Kon, I saw that the voice actress for Megamine, Erica Mendez, she also stopped by too. So yeah, shout out to both of them. And again, it was such a pleasure to meet them. This thing is awesome, and like I said, this is my favorite anime ever. So I hope that one day I could be able to, if there's like one show I could be able to get an autograph from like all the actors, it would definitely be this one. That and Attack on Titan. I also JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, Chainsaw Man, and now I got Dandadan as well. I got so many autographs I want to get, so yeah, really excited for that. But from what I got, genuinely, thank you so much. And it's also because it's like, for those that don't know, Konosuba is literally the reason why I got into anime in the first place. So yeah, but I think that's for like a different story. So yeah, that one is super awesome. All right, and I think the last thing I want to go and showcase is that I realized that I want to go and get more figures, and one that really piqued my interest is I saw this Your figure from I think it was Flawless Victory, and I was super surprised because it's like, oh, $40 for a figure, yo, I'm gonna take that, right? So yeah, let's go and do a little unboxing here. So yeah, that's her. Pretty awesome. So yeah, let's go and unbox it real quick. Okay, so there we go. So we're going to safely get our multi-tool. Just create a slight cut here.
One eternity later.
Other than that, this is it. It's pretty small, but look at that. That's really awesome right there. I could be able to work it out. Just like perch her on top of that. So yeah. Yeah. Alright. Now I think that's like maybe I should probably go and get Anya and Lloyd as well, especially since Anya is my favorite Spy Family character. So I guess I know what I'm gonna do for Winnipeg Comic Con. So might just go and do that. Maybe I might actually be able to go and do a little vlog too, because I kind of want to go and try out those. And yeah, I think that might be it for now. yeah, I think that might be it for the con haul, my little loot haul, all that. So yeah. Oh yeah, another thing is that they were all buried in like the bottom of like all my stuff. So I got a couple things. So my good old buddy Oddball Cosplay, he got me this little caffeine bottle charm thingy. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know where he got it from, but whoever knows this one, thank you, and thank you Oddball Cosplay for that. And I also got these pins that were like 4 for $10, and I was like, oh okay, they got like the main Konosuba party, so I was like, okay, I should go and get these. So yeah, check it out. The Otter's baller. I love that. Again, I can't remember who they were from, but if y'all know where they're from, be sure to go and like comment that, because it's like I said, the art is immaculate. I love like the little chibi style that they were doing, and it's also like 4 for 10, so like that's a damn good deal right there. So yeah, there's that as a part of the cosplay loot haul as well. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and especially a special thank you for the Aikon staff for organizing the event. This is genuinely the best Aikon I've been to this date. I really got to go and make friends with some of my cosplay mutuals. So like genuinely that one was pretty baller. I got of course I managed to go and get an autograph from like one of the voice actors of my favorite anime. And honestly, it was just like a first time for everything. And before I end off the video, I also got a few videos of like the rave as well, which was, oh my god, that was amazing. It was my first rave ever, and it was like a first for many things for me. So yeah, I definitely want to go and attend that, and maybe just maybe, because all of you know about my OC, hence why I call myself Cobra, you might be able to see him real soon in the future. Anyways, I'm just gonna go and drive it off to that little compilation. But genuinely, thank you so much, Aikon and its staff, for hosting the event, because that stuff was baller. And thank you for everyone for that I've been able to go and hang out, everyone to meet. Everyone's cosplays was aura. Everything was opium as hell. So yeah. So I'm gonna go and leave it off there. But as you always know, ladies and gentlemen, everyone in between, and everyone in New Orleans, my name is Cobra. And y'all have yourself a beautiful day. And I'll see y'all next year's Aikon. Oh my god! I pick something?
You go ahead. The ass.
Oh, pretty cheap. Oh,
I was really up top.
bro, what the fuck?
Lock him off top.
My glorious queen!